Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am engineer Mamun with you. Today I have a PC. This is the gaming PC Asus and 13 generation Core i5, 32 GB RAM and 2 TB M.2 and 3 hard disks you can put, and the graphics card GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. This PC problem is Windows blue screen. So today I will show you how to fix this problem. If you have like this PC, gaming PC or high configuration PC is Asus motherboard. So problem is blue screen. Now we will see the blue screen is like this. So this problem is sometime if your PC running and you unplug the power and the hard disk problem or Windows crash. There's many problem also. RAM sometimes is damaged is coming like this problem. So this problem is not hard disk or not Windows, not anything. This problem is BIOS setup on this motherboard. So guys, now I will take restart and see is many time after that coming repair your Windows, troubleshoot is not working any option. So system restore is not working everything. So now I will turn off PC, okay, and turn on the PC and press keyboard F2. So now I am pressing F2 keyboard, and then you see here in the boot and display. So this PC is not mine, is the customer. So you can see guys, here is the Intel repeat storage technology. This option you have to turn off. You can see here is the turn on, and another option you can go to the advanced mode F7 and go to the boot mode and check. Here is the sometime the CSM mode is enabled, and if you install the UEF boot, so that's why sometime giving problem. So this problem is not for that option. This problem is Intel repeat storage technology. So we have to turn off this. You have to turn off this technology and press the F10 to save change and press OK button, and then you can see the magic, your Windows will be work perfectly. So now guys, taking restart your computer and see is loading Windows. So if you have a problem your Asus PC, so there is the Intel repeat, that's mean two hard disks together booting option. So we off that option and see the computer is open. Now your Windows is working perfectly. So guys, your problem is solved. So here is the computer configuration. So here is the very high configuration computer. You can see the graphics card and RAM is 32 GB. Now we'll check the graphics card. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and support for the more video and more information. If you have any question, please comments in the below. You can see here is the NVIDIA graphics force RTX 4060 Ti graphics card. So this PC is very high configuration and good look. It's white king. You see here is the font side is glasses. So you can also use more to M.2 hard drive, and also external hard drive you can use inside. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And now if I take restart also is working, no problem. See, now I'm taking restart and now you can see it's working perfectly. So if you change that mode to Intel repeat storage technology on, your Windows will be not work. If you turn off, and then you can Windows work. Also you can install the Windows USB, any Windows you can install after that option. See, is working very fast and very perfectly. So thank you guys, have a nice day.